like mother goose, and they are like my goslings. I look after them, and they just follow. So where I go, they go.
After Wednesday's hike is over, they don't go their separate ways.
I've still got enough strength left to do Stanley Park, you guys.
It's not just friendship, it's more like a family. They're just very, very close. It's beautiful to watch.
Feels so much better the minute you kind of get outside and have that hour-and-a-half walk. I think it goes so far beyond fitness. I just think it's just nice to get out with like-minded people and mums and share and talk and laugh. And I haven't missed one yet because I love it. It's one of my favorite things that I do.
You're gonna be happy?